this is my school bag. This is how my pen case looks from inside. So this is a small compact comb. I have this sling sanitizer here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bani and today's video is again related to offline school. As you have already seen from the title and thumbnail of this video, today's video is going to be what's in my school bag, and this is my school bag. As you all know, my last video was my offline school timetable, and if you haven't watched that video yet, then I'll give it in the I button above and you can check it out from there after this video. As you all know, many of the schools have opened, and that too almost after 2 years the schools are opening. And even my school has opened. And yeah guys, do you like offline school or online school? Because I like offline school and I'm really excited for that. And for that I have to pack my bag also. So that's why I thought, why don't I show you what's in my offline school bag. I would show you everything what's kept inside.
And I would also give you some suggestions to pack your bag.
Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, this is my school bag. So I actually have many bags and I use this bag when I have less stuff to carry, and if I have more stuff to carry, I use another bag, but for now I'm going to show you with this bag. So this is how the bag looks. So this bag has 3 zips, one over here and then one in front and one small zip in front over here. So now I'll show you what all I have inside this. First, let's open the first zip. So in the biggest zip and the biggest space I have, first comes my geometry box, which is important for maths. So yeah, I keep this. Then I have some small crayons, and next I have this small rough note. I can write some small notes in this or anything. It's just like a rough diary. And that's also very important to keep, because someday you have to write something and yeah, you should have it with you. Then comes my whitener and a highlighter. So these 2 things are also really important and you must keep this with you. As this is the biggest zip and the biggest space of my bag, so what else can come here? Yes, you're right, books, because books do not fit in small spaces and there are so many books to carry. And just because of books, our bags get heavy. So yeah, of course we have books. I have my textbooks and my notebooks both. So it depends on the day that what I take. Depends on my timetable that which classes or which subject class do I have on that day. And I only pack those textbooks and notebooks. So yeah, my textbooks and notebooks. And that's it in my biggest zip. And now it's completely empty because I showed you everything from here. So yeah, now let's move on to the smaller zip. So this is my second zip, and now I'll show you what all I have in this. So the first thing over here which I have is my pen case, and yeah guys, pen case is really important and most of the stationery stuff is in this. So I'll give you a small tour that what's inside this, but if you want to see a detailed tour, then I have already uploaded that video. So I'll give the link in the description and the I button, so you can check that out also after this video. So this is how my pen case looks from inside. I have pens here and I have this multicolor pen, black color pen, a marker, an eraser, sharpener and a small stapler and stapler pins. And yeah guys, I always carry a stapler because that is also very useful. So I keep a small mini stapler. This is really cute and I love it, so that's why I keep it here. Then comes pencils. Then there's a flap over here, so when you flip this, there's a black sketch pen and that is also very useful. Then scissors, a stencil, a bookmark and a 20 centimeter long scale. So this is what is all in my pen case. Now let's move on to the other thing. So next I have this thing. So can you guess what this is? So this is a small compact comb with a mirror. So yeah, this is how it looks. There is a mirror here and I have this comb. So you have to push it from back and then a comb would open, as you can see, and then you can comb your hair. So this is what I love about it. You can just open it and even close it after you press it. So this is really compact and it requires very less space, so that's what I like about it. And one more advantage is that it also has a mirror, so that's why I like it and I keep it. So after all this, let's come to food. Next, I have my snacks box in my bag because everyone keeps that for snacks break. So this is my snacks box, and right now it's empty because I'm just shooting a video right now, but when I go to school I fill this with some snacks. So yeah, my snacks box, and that's it in my smaller zip, and it's empty now. So now let's move on to the smallest zip. So the smallest zip is over here. Now let's open this. So what is inside is this. So these are some wet wipes, Savlon wet wipes. It has 10 wet wipes. So I keep this. It can be used anytime. And this is also really small and requires very less space. So yeah, that's why I keep it with me. Next, the most important thing is an extra mask. So I wear a mask and go, but I also keep an extra mask. So these are the masks. There are 2 masks in this. So yeah, that's what is in my front pocket. And yeah guys, one more important thing is sanitizer, because nowadays life is incomplete without sanitizer. So I have this sling sanitizer here so that I can use this anytime. And one more important thing is my water bottle. So I have my water bottle here. And that's it what my bag has, and now my bag is empty. And yeah, this is my sling sanitizer which I took out now. So yeah guys, now my bag is empty, and as it is empty now, I'll show you what kind of pockets I have inside. So this is my bag, and as I showed you, this is the smallest zip. And then in the second smallest one, I have this pocket here, as you can see. Then I have one small pocket here and here. And then rest is space where I can keep things. Then in the biggest zip, I have these 2 pockets here. And this is for laptop, but I don't carry laptop because we have offline school now, right? So yeah, here also I use for books or something like that. So 2 pockets here and this laptop space. And then one place for water bottle over here and here also. So yeah, that's what my bag has. That was my school bag tour, and I showed you everything that I have. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you really did so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that I get to know you enjoyed. And also subscribe to my channel because I keep bringing new videos for you all. Now I would see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.